It's not everyone who is going to be employed to have a job. Some of the people, maybe God says maybe you can have a business, but you are forcing yourself. You are staying home. You say, I don't have a job. I have got a degree. You know that sometimes you can go to school and have a degree. God says you have got a degree to do it for yourself. You have to be a self-employed sometimes. Sometimes maybe you are sending CVs after CVs. You know that sometimes, guys, it's a calling to have a job. Other people, they don't struggle, guys. One time, even those people, they can send a CV. One time they get employed. But you send CVs after CVs, no jobs. You have to make a plan, guys, than to stay at home, to have a self-employed, because sometimes jobs is not for you. Jobs is not for everyone, guys. Even you have got a degree, you can go to school, you have got a degree, but God have got plans for you, not for to being employed with other people. Guys, it's not bad to being employed with other people. It's good. It's their calling to being employed. Other people, guys, they are not struggling to get jobs. You know that me, I was struggling to get jobs, even to be a house cleaner. To clean a house, I was struggling to get a job. Why? Because this it was not my calling. So sometimes I accept it that this is not my calling. You have to try something that you can feed your family, guys. God sometimes, guys, God can't leave you being hunger every time. No, God have got plans for you. You've got a job for you. When you are struggling to get the same job those other people they are getting, try another way. It will work sometimes. So sometimes, guys, God gives us in different ways. Guys, there are people who are struggling even to get a job for house, not in shops, for houses. You can be struggling because it's not your job. Try to do something, guys. Even people, they are laughing to you that you are selling cool times, you are selling what a drink, but at end of the day you are feeding your family. So, guys, jobs is not for everyone. Other people, guys, they don't struggle. Even other companies, they can be called by companies to come to work, but you are struggling to get that job. Do something, because jobs is not for everyone. Other people, they've got calling to have businesses to sell something, because when you are starting a business, don't start bigger. Start small, and you can grow and grow most of the time, because it's not everyone calling, guys. I struggled to find a job to clean houses, but other people, they can last, guys, 4 or 5 years. They can last in that job, but me, I can't last. Even a person can take me. I didn't work for the person for permanent in house, because I didn't find those jobs.